Hey guys, welcome to question FM 184 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. So this question reads, an unnamed famous actor invests in a perpetuity that makes annual payments of $47,736 to the organization Orphans Without Arms. The perpetuity earns interest at the rate of 7.8% per annum. Interest is calculated and paid annually. Question A says, show that the unnamed actor originally invests $612,000. So, what we've got here is a scenario where an unknown amount of money, let's call it X, 7.8% of that each year is what it earns in interest. So it earns an extra 7.8%, which means that if we were to find 7.8%, so you could do this by multiplying by 7.8 over 100, or if you know that the conversion to decimal from that percentage is 0.078, even better. So this calculation here, this little expression, will find 7.8% of X, and we know that to be 47,736. Which means that if we were to plug this into a calculator using solve, we should be able to figure out what this unknown number is. So if we solve this little equation and we tell our calculator to solve for X, we should get an answer, X equals 612,000, which of course means that our answer is $612,000. So 7.8% of 612,000 is 47,736, and that's how much is being paid to the organization Orphans Without Arms. Question, and then we got a little pretext over here that says, in actuality, a shady accountant has been overseeing the perpetuity and is taking some of the yearly payment off the top, quoting a false interest rate to the unnamed famous actor. So this 7.8% isn't actually how much interest is being earned. So given that the perpetuity is actually paying $53,244, what is the actual interest rate? So we have to find the actual interest rate. Now you could solve this using Finance Solver, but we've just been using solve, so we might also solve this question using the solve function on the calculator. This time we know that $612,000 is what is invested, and a new interest rate that we don't know, let's call it X once again, is equal to, actually let's not call it X because that might get confusing with what's going on up there. Let's call it Y, is going to result in $53,244 being donated, well, that should be donated to Orphans Without Arms, but only part of it's making its way there. So now if we solve for that unknown rate, we should get 612,000 times Y, because 53,244, and we're solving here for Y. We should get an answer of Y equals 0.087. So that is the decimal version of our rate. So of course, to change that into a percentage, we take our 0.087 and we times that by 100, which should give us an answer of 8.7, meaning that our final answer for part B is 8.7%. That is our actual interest rate. Guys, that's those two questions done. If you guys have any questions about those questions, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.